what we have to realize is like, who are we building the technology for at the end of the day? And I think that's for the teams that are using it on a day-to-day basis. So instead of trying to replace everyone, I feel like it's the next stage of being able to enable them with that technology, making sure their life becomes easier. They're the people running the business on a day-to-day basis. You want them to be able to make the guest as happy as possible. So if you design your technology in a way that makes their life easier, it becomes great technology at the end of the day. I mean, a lot of things were promised with AI, and I feel like a lot of people are coming back from that. And AI has great features in the sense that it's good at analysis, it's good at detecting things, and it's good at providing overviews. So you need to harness those strengths, I feel like, instead of replacing everything with AI. Cool things that we see, for example, is monitoring guest sentiment, monitoring their risk profile, analyzing your performance at the end of the booking. Those are things you can do easily with AI. But keeping the human in control and enabling with that AI is where I see the future over the next years. Yeah, I think it's a key thing nowadays in the industry. People, they get bombarded by new technology. Everybody's screaming AI. They see all of the different companies out there. Something for smart lock, something for communication, something for reviews. It gets confusing. And I think that's why it's important to have two things as a good operator or as a good hotel. You have a sturdy PMS, where you can rely on that, that really is the foundation of your company. And then you take one layer on top of that is going to give you all the innovation. So they make sure that they're up to speed on everything. They consult you basically on what's happening. They will offer the features, but make sure it's all still limited within one platform. And that way you have a trusted partner you can work with, instead of actually looking out there whole time and stressing out that you're missing out on everything. So what we're looking forward to for 2026? Well, 2025 has been a super busy year. We've grown to a stage where we service customers all over the world. I think now the next stage is building more and more and more and making sure those customers stay on top of everything that's happening out there with a trusted partner and grow together with them.